Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Palmrest on a Dell Vostro 5471. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove base cover screws. Now use fingers to separate and remove base cover. Unscrew and disconnect battery. Then disconnect and remove speakers. Then remove touchpad screws. Now disconnect and remove touchpad. Now unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Then unscrew and remove heatsink. Then unscrew and remove SSD. Then remove web camera. Next, unscrew and disconnect input-output circuit board. Next, unscrew and remove power button. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then unscrew and remove motherboard. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now unscrew, then remove bracket and keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.